Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix valorant 2266 in League of Legends. So here's what you're gonna do. You wanna go to search, type in run. Once it opens, you wanna type in ncpa.cpl, click OK. It will open a window. You wanna click on your Ethernet or Wi-Fi, depending on which one you're using. Double click on it, go to properties. Scroll a bit down till you find this internet version 6. You want to untick this. You want to go to internet version protocol version 4, double click on it, and in here either click on this, use the following DNS, and then type in this 1.1.1.1 1.0.0.1 and click OK. Or try the alternative, which is 8.8.8.8 8.8.4.4. And once you've done that, you want to close this. Once you've done that, you want to go back to search, type in CMD, click run as administrator, allow it, and then here type in IP config space flash or flush DNS. And once this is done, type in exit. And just to be sure, like everything is fine, you want to do one more step. You go to search, type in run again, and type in here services.msc, open it, and it will open this window. Click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC, double click on it, and in here it will say manual. You want to switch it to automatic, click apply, and then you want to start it. And after you start it, after it loads, if it doesn't load at the first when you start it, you want to try a few times, like till it like loads, and then you want to go back to search and type in system configuration, and in here go to boot, go to services, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC, and in here make sure this is ticked. If it's unticked, you want to tick it just to be sure. If it's already here, you just want to untick it and tick it again and click apply. Okay, and it will ask you to restart your PC, and after you restart your PC, the game should work properly. If you have any other issues, you should contact Riot Support, and they should be able to assist you with the error and help you fix it. That's it for this video. That's how you fix valorant 2266 for League of Legends. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one.